Hi friends, I am Guna from India. This is my new YouTube channel, Guna's Infomedia, with the language English. I have already a channel in my mother language, Tamil. The channel name is Billionaire Guna. Through this Guna's Infomedia YouTube channel, I like to share my feelings and my knowledge, what and all the things I know and the things I need to share about my country and about my knowledge and the things I know already. I am happy to share this valuable things, what I know, my knowledge, my favorite, something new to you, all you friends throughout the world. Support me by subscribing my channel Guna's Infomedia and be in touch with me so that all of you and me can develop our conversation, to develop our valuable knowledge what God gives to us. Brothers and sisters of the world, since I am new to this channel, I need to know the peoples who and all like our country India throughout the world. If you are interested in this question, make comment below about you and your country. Let us tell something about me. My name is Guna. I am living in India, South India. India is the largest country. Here, the major occupation is agriculture. Our country's climate is very supportable for agriculture, so that we are planting a lot of crops and exporting throughout the world. Another important thing, I have told you about my country. Now I am going to tell about my favorite things in this video, so that we can develop our friendship and conversation and a good communication throughout the world. Indians are very successful in agriculture. They are very spiritual in person. In our country, we obey the orders of elders and obey the words of ancestors. These are the very special things in our country. Friends, please comment down what are the special things in your home country. I need to know your favorite things also. In this video, I am very excited to meet you all. I need to express my personal feeling, which I have for a lot of years. I need to express my feelings. Now, in this COVID situation, coronavirus attacks the mankind throughout the world. Lot of peoples are suffering from that massive attack. economical situations of lot of countries, in lot of places, very suffering very badly. But in the normal situations, the man, including myself, forget to obey the rules of nature. Friends, nobody should forget one thing. Our ancestors protect the nature. Our elders protect the nature. Whether you are a worshipper or non-worshipper of God, some spiritual power gives the gift of nature so that every humans can live their respectful life in this beautiful earth. But man alone disobeys the nature. Yes, we are in the critical situation of buying the very important thing called oxygen, which is very essential to live, to breathe. Without the oxygen, nobody can live a second of life. But man forget to protect the nature which is giving oxygen. For the sake of the development of economical situations in every country or every area, we are not educating the childs or our juniors to develop the nature. For the development of the factories and some businesses, we are cutting the trees in the forest without planting or protecting them. This is the result what nature gives to us. Brothers and sisters, everyone should think this thing, because this is a very critical pandemic time. Lot of people die because of this virus. Oxygen is very critical in this time, because man, myself, or every human being living in this earth forget to protect the nature. That's what I am thinking. That's what my mind is telling. This ecosystem is made by nature to protect every human being, every single human being, including birds, animals, and also ourselves, man. But man alone is destroying every nature for his own sake, called economic development. Friends, we should all destroying the nature by forgetting one important matter. This ecosystem is very important. Trees, rivers, plants, ocean, this nature is built up of one ecosystem. This is very important to every human being in this world for the preparation of oxygen and all. Everything, this ecosystem is built up of some process of nature. But in this period, human beings, we all forget to protect the nature, forget about the ecosystem, forget about the ancestors who protect the nature and gives to us. All right, we can stop this massive attack speech about the coronavirus. In every part of the world, they are buying oxygen to save our men's life, to save living beings. But in this time, every human being, every brothers and sisters and friends should take a oath. That oath is to protect the nature, to protect the trees, to protect the rivers, to protect the sea. Why I am telling this to you everybody throughout the world? Because this nature belongs to every human being, not only man. Every human being, birds, animals, etc., etc. But man alone is destroying everything. Everyone should have an individual obedience, self-obedience, self-discipline by protecting the nature, trees. We can save the entire earth. I think this is the warning by the nature. The coronavirus, massive attack, lot of people dead because of this virus attacks. In lot of places, oxygen is damaged. I need to tell like this, damaged. Friends, please think one thing. Once upon a time, lot of trees are there, lot of mountains are there, lot of rivers are there. The greens, that means plants and trees, works in the process of clearing carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. By destroying the plants throughout the world, what we enjoyed, we created a pandemic virus. I think like that only. Because of the disobedience, the human beings, men and women, not having a self-obedience to save the nature. I think this is the result, this is the warning given by the nature to us. So friends, from now, everybody should have a self-oath in our mindset to save the nature, save the trees, save the plants, and give the nature beautifully to our kids, youngsters. Don't forget one thing. This is not a living place for human only. This is the place for animals, birds, and all the human beings and living creatures. Thank you, friends, for giving me the opportunity to share my feelings inside my heart. Since I am new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel and please comment below about your feeling of this coronavirus and the thing I have tell you about saving the nature. Thank you.